The Scots Nats are getting as much as they can from hard-pressed taxpayers on their way to the exit. A Scottish Tory claim SNP leader John Swinney has insisted approving a £20,000 pay rise for ministers' MSP salaries while hiking taxes is about fairness. It emerged at the weekend that Mr. Swinney had decided to scrap a 16-year policy of ministers not taking increases to the salary they receive. The change means ministers will see a near £20,000 boost to their pay packets to £74,507 a year. The pay announcement came as part of an answer to a question in Holyrood and was not publicly announced. A freeze on ministerial salaries, however, has been maintained. Mr. Swinney said he will not take the increase given his position as the decision-maker. Asked, Scotland's First Minister said, "The decision I've taken is one that just applies a principle of fairness across the Scottish Parliament. I think that's the right decision to take so that members of the Scottish Parliament are able to draw the salary to which they are entitled as MSPs." He added, "No other ministerial pay arrangement has been frozen across the United Kingdom for 16 years other than the Scottish Government, which is the decision that I have, and I have made a decision about my own circumstances, because I am the decision maker, and I think that puts me in a different category to my colleagues." The Mail on Sunday reported the First Minister had initially decided to take the increase to his MSP salary, but changed his mind after being approached by the newspaper. Mr. Swinney's decision means annual salaries for cabinet secretaries will be about £116,000. Junior ministers will be paid more than £100,000. Scottish Conservative Shadow Cabinet Secretary for Finance, Craig Hoy, said, "The huge salary increase John Swinney has given SNP ministers can't be related to their performance in office, which has been uniformly dismal. Nationalist politicians have made a mess of everything they touch, our NHS, education, housing, policing and transport, while stifling the economy, pushing through savage cuts and making Scotland the highest taxed part of
explicar lo que siento cuando tú no estás conmigo. Cómo gritarle a los vientos que me perteneces, que te necesito. Cómo explicar la alegría cuando tú estás a mi lado. Yo sé que no hay en el mundo un amor más grande como el que me has dado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre 1000 veces te amo. Y aunque no creo merecerte, doy gracias al cielo de haberte encontrado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre 1000 veces te amo. Que Dios bendiga tus ojos, tu cara bonita, tu amor, tus encantos.